The following several episodes, I will cover the travel guide for the country of Turkey. If you love food or rich culture, then Turkey is a place that you must go. Turkey as a country has been through three big empire periods. The Roman Empire, Ottoman Empire, and Byzantine Empire. Which gives the country so much in the culture. There are many ruins that you see everywhere, museum, and also the huge range of food that the travelers are appreciating nowadays. In this episode, we're gonna cover things to try in Turkey. According to my research, Turkey does not have many things to experience compared to the food and drink and the sceneries, but there are a few things that you have to try. The first one is Ramadan. It is a month-long fasting period. It's usually happening in May and June depending on their lunar calendar. The participants will not drink or eat after the sunrise before the sunset. They have two reasons for this. The first one is that they want to get in the experience of feeling starving as a way to build empathy and to understand what the poor people feel. And the second reason is that through the fasting, they become humble and grow spiritually. They believe in that way they will get closer to the Allah, which is their God, and the loved ones. Also help them to learn patience, compassion, nourish their soul. And of course, no one expects tourists to fast, but it will be really appreciated if you can avoid publicly eating and drinking during the day. If you are in Cappadocia, you cannot miss the balloon. It is very Instagram famous and no one should ever miss that. It is generally 1 to 1.5 hour flight starting from 5 to 5:30 in the morning. And every day they will have about 100 balloons flying. The best weather to fly is between April to November. So there's a long period that you can try it. And make sure you check out the balloon festivals as it slightly varies every year. But during the festival, they have more than 50 custom designed balloons flying in the sky. While in Cappadocia, you can also check out the cave room. As is shown on its name, it's a room that carved into the mountain and the rock. There are so many cave rooms in Cappadocia. Most of them are getting very expensive because they're getting famous, but there are a few that are cheap enough and also give you the enough experience. So if you're interested, make sure you check out my notes. During the old days, ancient people don't shower that often, but in Turkey they have a luxury bath called hammam. It is a way for the Turkish people to get cleaned and also socialize in a public bath place. But nowadays, because everyone shower often at their home, there are less local people go in the hammam, but it's more for the tourist attraction. A full hammam treatment including a scrub, massage, and eye treatment. It's kind of like what we have in northern China. And because I'm a southerner, this experience is whole new to me. And if I'm in Turkey, I'll definitely try it. Another Instagram famous place is Pamukkale. It is arguably the most beautiful mineral water site in Turkey, and it's definitely one of the most photographed places in the country. If you're tired of the tourist attraction and just want to have a relax, make sure you check out Kıleci City. In Kıleci City, you can take a walk in the harbor, appreciate a waterfall, or just simply have a coffee, sit in a cafe in the quiet little town. Road trip is not recommended in Turkey, but there is a road trip route that's recommended by Lonely Planet, and I also think it's worthwhile to go. It is from Dalaman to Antalya. It is only 337 kilometers. Because it's gonna pass so many ruins, beach, and other sceneries, you are tend to stop very often and enjoying the scene. I'll leave the detail of this road trip in my notes. If you're interested, go check it out. I'll explain why I don't recommend the road trip in the later episode. That's it for this episode of Experience in Turkey. If you enjoy travel, make sure you subscribe, as I'll be making more travel guides for many other countries. I'll see you in the next episode.